Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. Here at Rome Tech, we explore the world of crypto, and today, we're diving into the Moonlet wallet, a secure and versatile option for managing your digital assets. Links to the wallet and additional resources are available in the description below. Moonlet Wallet is a non-custodial platform, meaning you, and only you, have control over your cryptocurrencies. Designed with user experience in mind, it provides an intuitive and easy-to-navigate environment for storing, sending, and receiving a wide array of digital currencies. One of Moonlet's key strengths is its impressive compatibility. It supports a diverse range of cryptocurrencies, from established giants like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano, to a variety of altcoins and tokens. This broad support makes it a great choice for users with diversified portfolios. Security is paramount in the crypto world, and Moonlet Wallet takes it seriously. As a non-custodial wallet, you retain complete control of your private keys and recovery phrase, ensuring that no third party can access your funds. The wallet employs robust security measures, including AES-256 encryption, to protect your private keys locally on your device. Even if your device is compromised, your encrypted keys remain secure. Additional layers of protection, such as PIN codes and biometric authentication, are also implemented for daily use. Furthermore, Moonlet enables you to back up your wallet using a 12-word seed phrase, crucial for recovering your assets if necessary. For users seeking a seamless experience within the decentralized finance (DeFi) ecosystem, Moonlet Wallet integrates with various DeFi platforms. It even supports staking of select cryptocurrencies, such as Cardano, directly within the app. This allows you to participate in yield generation without ever leaving the wallet interface. In summary, Moonlet Wallet presents a compelling blend of security, user-friendly design, and extensive cryptocurrency support. Its emphasis on user privacy and control makes it an excellent choice for both newcomers to the crypto space and seasoned users alike. It's a safe and dependable option for securing your digital assets. For a deeper dive, be sure to explore the links provided in the description.